Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I have discussed different types of questions related to percentage. All the questions that I have discussed are of different types. So watch the video till the end to understand all the concepts. Before proceeding, let us see the percentage chart that I have made, and also I used to follow this chart to attempt different types of questions related to percentage. So here you can, as you can see in the chart, it is easier to remember if you develop a relation between the numbers. There is one example I am giving you is that 1 by 7 and 1 by 14. As you can see, 1 by 7 is 14.28 and 1 by 14 is 7.14. The difference between those two is 14.28 is written as 7.14 in 1 by 14. That is half of 1 by 14.28 is 7.14. So this is a relation. If you develop different type of relation between the numbers, then it is easier to remember the values. In the below that I have given is the relation between 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 5 by 8 and 7 by 8. So as you can see, 1 by 8 is 12.5% and 3 by 8 is 37.5%. So this is nothing but 12 plus 25 plus 12.5. 25 plus 12.5. So as similarly, 5 by 8 is 50 plus 12.5 and 7 by 8 is 75 plus 12.5. So this is the relation between the numbers. If you can develop those relations, then it is easier to remember the values. So let's move to the first question. In percentage, there is a formula: expenditure equal to price into consumption. This is a simple formula we got in class 8 and 9. Expenditure is equal to price into consumption. But what is the use of this formula? So in percentage, there are lots of questions asked. Suppose if 25% is increased in price, okay, price is increased by 25%. So what should be the percentage decrease in consumption so as to remain the expenditure equal? The expenditure must be same. So what is the percentage decrease? So how will you approach in this type of question? So in this type of question, you need to know what is 25%. 25% is 1 by 4. Okay. So 1 by 4 increased means you need to just add 1 with 4. That is 1 by 5. Simple. That is, if 1 by 4 is increased, then 1 by 5 will be decreased, and 1 by 5 is nothing but 20%. Getting my point? This is easier. In 1 or 2 seconds you can attempt this type of questions. So means if price is increased by 25%, then consumption need to be 20% less, then only expenditure will be equal in both the cases. So similarly, if you are asked that if 20% increased in price, then what will be the consumption decrease? That is 20% means 1 by 5. 1 by 5, you increase 1 by 5, that is 1 by 6, and 1 by 6 is nothing but I have given you in formula chart, that is 16.66%. That is consumption needs to be decreased by 16.66%. Similarly, if you are asked that A's income is, you are given that A's income is 20% more. 20% more means bigger. So 20% I am giving the arrow mark above, that is 20% bigger than B's income. Okay, A's income is 20% more than B's income. Then what percentage is B's income less than A's income, you are asked. So you need to find what percentage is B's income less than A's income. Then how will you approach? Similarly, 20% is 1 by 5. So you increase 1 by 5, that is 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 decrease, that is 16.66%. So B's income is 16.66% less than A's income. So this type of question you can attempt easily. So let's look into some questions which are asked frequently in various type of exams. So here is the first question. So what is the question? Price of sugar is increased by 25%. Due to this, person is able to buy 2 kg less for rupees 40. To find, you need to find the original and the present prices. So what is the original, what was the original price and what is the present price? Now how will you approach? That is, price is increased, right? By what percent? 25%. By 25% price is increased. So 25% is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 increase means what consumption I have given you now? 1 by 5. Okay, 1 by 5 needs to be decreased. Consumption needs to be decreased. Okay, so what is 1 by 5? 1 by 5 is nothing but 2 kg, because the person is able to buy 2 kg less. That is, consumption we have decreasing. So our consumption is decreasing. That is 1 by 5 is nothing but 2 kg. Or that is 1 is equal to, cross multiply this, that is 10 kg. Okay, so what, how will you find the original price then? Original price, how will you find the original price? Original price is, for rupees 40 rupees he is able to buy 10 kg. The person is able to buy 10 kg. That is, you are asked to find the price, that is per kg. What is the value of 1 kg? That is rupees 40 by 10. That is rupees 4 per kg. Getting my point? This is the original price. One part is done. Then what is the present price? What is the present price? Present price is 25% increased with the original price. So before it was rupees 4. Now you increase 25% from 4. From 4 means 4 plus 25%. 25% is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of 4. That is 4 cancel. That is 4 plus 1. That is rupees 5 per kg. Now the new price of the sugar is 5 per kg. So let's move in the next question. This is easier question. You can attempt in 20 to 30 seconds. It is easier. So let's move into next question. So here is the next question. The question is, if the price of an article increases by 20% and consumption is decreased by 10%. Here the price also is, price and the consumption is given, the percentage of increase and decrease. Then you need to find what percentage increase in the expenditure. So we know E is equal to P into C. Expenditure is equal to price into consumption. So price is increased by 20% and consumption, what is the consumption is decreased by 10%. Okay, what is 20%? How, in case of 100, if you compare this, in case of 100, 20% increase means 120, right? And in case of 100, 10% decrease means 90 by 100. So you cancel 0 0, there is 108 by 100. Clear? So 108 by 100 we can write as, that is increase. What is increased? That is 8 by 100. 8 by 100 is 8%. It is easier. So let's move into the next question. So here is the next question. The question is, two numbers are 12.2% and 25% more than the third number. Okay, means there are two numbers which is 25. First number is 12.2% more than the third number, and the second number is 25% more than the third number. So what is required to find? That is, first number is what percentage of the second number. The first and the second number comparison. You need to compare with first and second number. So how will you approach in this question? The first number was 12.2% more. Okay, the 12.2% more is 12.2% is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 more is, just compare with the previous. You write this as 8. Increase in the increased number is 9. That is, this is the first number and this is the third number, compared number. So again 25% increase. This is the second number. 25% increase. 25% is 1 by 4. To increase 1 by 4, that is 5 by 4. Clear? So this is the third number and this is the second number. This is compared with second and third. This is compared with first and third. So you can write 9 and 8, right? This is the first number and this is the third number, and second number is this 5. 5 is 4. This is also the third number. Means you need to compare this increment is, this is the previous one. What is the, this is the previous one and this is the by what number it is compared. This is compared with the third number, and from increases the first number, so first number will be the above. So similarly second number is compared with third. The compared number is in the denominator and the increased number is in the numerator. So this is the second number. Second number is compared with the third. First number is also compared with third. So third number is 1 is 8 and 1 is 4. So to make this third number similar, you need to multiply 2 both sides. So this will be 10 and this will be 8. So the first number is 9 and the second number is now 10. Now you need to compare first number with the second number. We need to find the percentage. So how we calculate the percentage is, the first number compared with third number is, first number will be in the numerator, denominator will be the second number, sorry, the first and second number. So first and second into 100. Clear? So this is 90%. So the first number is 90% more than the second number. Clear? So let's move into the next question. So here is the next question. In an election, 20% did not vote. Full stop. 100 votes were invalid. The winner got 50% of the total votes. Total voters declared winner by 300 votes. Find the total number of voters. We need to find the total number of voters. So let us consider that total number of, in this question you can solve in two different ways. So I will show you the two different ways to solve this question. So let us take total voters. Total voters, let us take 100x. Okay. In percentage question, if we take 100, then it is easier to solve. So let us take 100 voters were there. From there 20% did not vote. So they did not vote, that is 20% did not vote means 20x. 20% of 100 is 20. So 20x did not vote, that is the number of person that voted was 80x. 80x person voted, but from that vote also 100 votes were invalid. So what is the valid vote, number of valid vote? What is the number of valid vote? That is this many person voted. So decrease 100 from this. This is the valid vote because 100 votes were invalid, right? Now suppose A and B are the candidates and A is the winner. Okay. So here it is already given, mentioned that the winner got 50% of the total voters. So what is the total voters? That is 100x. So if A is the winner, how many votes did A get? That is 50x. Because 50%, the winner got 50% of the total voters. You need to see that this is total voters, not the total vote. The total voters were 100, so 50% of that is 50x, and the number of vote is 80x minus 100. So how many votes did B get? It is easy. This is the valid vote. From this valid vote, 50x vote is taken by A. So what is the number of vote that B got? That is 80x minus 100 minus 50x, because A got 50x, so decrease 50 from this, there is 30x minus 100, right? Now you need to find x so as to find the total number of voters. So how will you approach for x? This here one more hint is given. The winner got 300 votes. Winner won by 300 votes. That is the difference between these two will be 300, right? So 50x minus 30x minus 100 is 300. From here you will get x is equal to 10. That is total voters will be 100x. So 100 into 10, that is 1000 voters, right? So this is easy, but one more way is there, alternative way. So let us solve this question in the other way also, because this question, if you understand this normal process, you can approach this question more easily by the second method which I am going to show you. Let us take in this part, let us take the total voters be x, not 100, not 100x, only x, only 100. So from this 20% did not vote, that is 20 people. 20% of 100 is 20, so that is 100 people voted, 80 people voted. Okay, but from this 80, 100 votes are also invalid. So 100 will not decrease from here, because 80 is smaller than 100, so we will keep 100 as for now we will keep 100 in this way. This is the invalid vote. 100 is the invalid vote. Okay. Now similarly consider A and B are the two candidates. A is the winner. So how many vote will A get? That is 50% of the total. That is 50 vote A will get. And what vote will B get? The total number of vote is 80. So B already A got 50. That is B will get 30. So difference of these two is 20. And in question it is given difference is 300. That 20 is equal to 300. Now this 100 will decrease from here. This 100 will decrease from here. That is 200. That is 20 is equal to 200. That is 1 is equal to 10. Then 100 is equal to 1000. Getting my point? This is more easier. If you understand this concept, this is more easier. You can approach this in this way, because in exams you have less time. So you need to save your time as much as possible. So you need to approach the questions easily and more fast. So this is easier, but first understand this. You can easily understand this. This 100, I have not decreased this 100 from here, the invalid votes, because 80 is less than 100. So I have decreased this 100 here, where I have calculated the difference. So just you understand first this part, then you will be easily understanding this. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share it. Thank you.